I visited the Elder Museum of Science and Technology in Gran Canaria and paid just €8 per adult and the baby came free. We ended up booking this place on the off chance by walking down the street and I stumbled upon this plane parked outside and you guessed it, of course we had to go. I'm kicking things off by showing you around the McDonnell Douglas DC-9-34. This aircraft was scrapped in December 2002 and was partially preserved at the Elder Museum of Technology and Science here in Las Palmas, Gran Canaria. It was built in 1979 and it operated extensively until the early 2000s. It operated for Aviaco from 1979 until 1999 and then Iberia from 1999 to 2002. When you hop on board the plane, you're able to freely roam the cockpit, you're able to sit in the seats of the flight deck and get a real feel of what it would have been like flying this piece of aviation history. Once you're done in the flight deck, you're able to walk through, grab yourself a seat and have a look at everything else that it has on show. I was lucky enough to be on the aircraft all on my own and I had nobody else in my way. I even decided to sit down on the seats and buckle up, ready for my flight to absolutely nowhere. After my little mooch around the plane, it was time to head inside and let's check out what they've got. Well, that's a fantastic start. A plane hanging from the ceiling and a jet. Here we have the Northrop SRF-58 Freedom Fighter and this was operated by the Spanish Air Force and it now sits in the museum as a piece of aviation history. All around the jet you have aviation history, you've got old plane engines, you are also able, which is awesome, to go up and sit inside the plane. You can get a feel of what it would have been like, you can have a little play around in there, it's really accessible. We even put my son in it as well, which he absolutely loved, but I'm going to take you around the whole aircraft now and just show you it from a few different angles. I just absolutely love coming to places like this. If you were into aviation, then you would have so much fun here. Just look at all of these different types of engines that are located around the jet. You've got past, present, and just look at the depth of them. It really is staggering. And on every single one, you've got a little gold plaque that's got all of the information, such as the aircraft, the age of it, who flew it, all of the things like that. You can even go up to the plane. As you can probably tell, I was having a whale of a time sitting in it. Just look at my face and that grin. I look like a Cheshire cat. It was now the baby's turn to get in. Obviously, I had to put Elijah in it. He does love planes, just like his father. So it was only right we get him in there and get a few nice little photos of him flying the plane.
Woohoo! Look at you. Hello. Nice. Nice. Elijah, 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 Elijah.
They've even got a rocket in here, which was pretty cool. Into the volcano. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is cool. Where's the one this year then? Yeah? No. Right there. I think that one's us.
Look, it's 2, 3.
Just by here you have a woman doing demonstrations. It is very educational. Everything about the place is knowledge and is all about educating people around science. And there was a lot of school trips there as well, which was amazing to see. This machine resembles earthquake tremors, but unfortunately we couldn't get it to work. We did try a few times, but unfortunately there was no movement. The information in the volcano section of the museum, it just keeps going on and on. When you walk through, you don't realise the amount of things they've got there. They've got rocks from volcanoes, they've got all the information about them, where they were found, and it's absolutely awesome. It's very eye-catching, and there was more live displays as we were walking through. There always seems to be a lot of people as well watching these live displays. Unfortunately, we did just miss it.
Mientras no alumbre, vamos al picón. Mientras no alumbre.
En el pasillo que más atrás había una leyenda, decía que era la leyenda de Seir, que los espíritus subían como por la leyenda de Seir
Loving the departure board style sign.
R2D2 and whatever his name is. Look, maybe the zebra. Look.
This part was all to do with colours. You basically walk into rooms.
Ooh, look at this
so
one.
for example here you've got yellow. Everything is yellow. Everything in there is painted yellow. If anything, it hurts your eyes a bit, and then you go on to all the different colours. I didn't quite get the concept of it, if I'm being honest with you, but, you know, it is something different, I suppose. And you guessed it, I am going to take you into every single colour that they had in the museum. So let's go and check all of them out.
Ooh, violet.
There are live shows scattered throughout the day. This one was all about a robot, and it was actually very cool. But the show was in Spanish, so just be aware.
Do you like that?
O incluso a irnos de compras, porque nos puede llevar una bolsita que no pese más de 2,5 kilos. Fíjense, ahora mismo IO está intentando hacer un reconocimiento biométrico porque tiene 5 cámaras 3D y 3 sensores que le permiten hacerlo. IO, ahora mismo reconoces a alguien.
La temperatura de la casa está a 28 grados. Si te parece, ponemos el aire acondicionado.
Sí, porfa, Hedy, que hace mucho calor. Y en lo que IO vuelve tomando asiento porque se me acaba de ocurrir una super idea.
I'm now working my ways up to floors 1 and 2. There's all cool stuff all the way around. I'm going to show you my journey around both of them floors and what we encountered along the way. In this room is like a butterfly sanctuary. You're able to walk around. It's a very warm room, and you've just got butterflies, which are absolutely beautiful, flying around all amongst you.
There's lots of butterflies. Look, Leish.
In this space room, it's like a dome, and they do put on a live space show. I was very annoyed with a member of staff because Elijah was crying a little bit, and they did chuck us out because he wasn't dead silent for the show. When it is for babies and children, I didn't quite get where they were coming from. I thought it was very harsh.
Ooh, UV. What you do, Tash? Yeah. Player one. Ah, Tom. What? Don't get it. Up. Oh, you cleaning the rubbish? Go on, grab the can. Oh my god, Tash, you got it. Look at the face on mine, why do you look like that?
Another area here where they do live shows takes me back to being in school, inside the science lab and messing around with the Bunsen burners.
Go, go, go! Later! Ugh. Nice.
Here we've got the VR section where you're able to sit in the canoe here. You put the Oculus on and then it comes up, obviously, in the Oculus what you're doing, and there is movement on the canoe as well. And then just next to it you're able to sit in a car and do the same with the virtual reality. If you are thinking of coming to the Elder Museum, if you're in Las Palmas in Gran Canaria, it's an absolute bargain for the amount of things that there is to do in there. And especially if you've got children, it's great for them to burn a bit of energy, and it's also very educational. It's an absolute bargain price. We paid just €6.50 per adult, and Elijah came free. But do allow, I would say, 2 to 3 hours to get around, because it is that big. There is a lot to see, a lot to do, and also if you're attending some of the live shows as well, that can add additional time onto your day.
Jump.
I'm now up on the top floor. For me personally, I would say this was the worst floor of them all. This wasn't really my cup of tea, and anything that they had on show there, if I'm being completely honest with you. However, up on this floor, they have got an absolutely delightful outdoor seating area. It is really nice, it's large, and I can imagine it gets very busy at certain points of the day.
Oh, it's a nice little outdoor area. Look at this.
I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and if you are visiting Las Palmas in Gran Canaria and you are looking for something to do, maybe if you're with children and for something that isn't going to break the bank, maybe if you are on a budget, then this is the perfect option to go for at just €6.50 per adult, and young babies will go free. But please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. It helps me out massively. And also hit that bell icon to be notified when I upload next. I'll see you soon, guys, on the next video. Peace out.
Is that it, yeah?